Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Linode instance uptime and alerting step by step clearly. To verify the uptime of your Linode instance, begin by logging into your Linode Manager account. Once logged in, navigate to the Linode section on the left-hand sidebar. Select the Linode instance you wish to monitor. After clicking on your instance, you'll be directed to an overview page. Here, you can find the Uptime section displaying the active status of your instance. To get more detailed uptime information, click on the Graphs tab. The Graphs tab provides various metrics, including CPU usage, network activity, and memory usage. Focus on the Uptime graph to see a historical representation of your instance's availability. For real-time monitoring and alerting, consider using external tools like Uptime Robot or Pingdom. Create an account on your preferred monitoring platform. Once logged in, set up a new monitor based on your Linode instance's public IP address. Choose the protocol you want to monitor, typically HTTP or HTTPS. Configure how often to ping your instance, usually every 5 minutes is sufficient. Set a notification method for alerts, such as email or SMS. Test the configuration to ensure it's working correctly. For more advanced monitoring, you can also set up alerts for CPU and disk usage directly within Linode's Longview service. Install Longview on your instance by following the provided guidelines. Once installed, log into your Longview account to access the performance metrics. Set thresholds that trigger alerts when your resource usage exceeds defined limits. With these steps complete, you'll have both uptime verification and alerting in place for your Linode instance. Regularly check the uptime status and alerts to ensure optimal performance. This proactive approach will help you maintain reliability for your applications hosted on Linode. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.